Alright, boys and girls, so right now I really need for you to be looking at the screen. Make sure you're listening to what I say because I'm going to be focusing on two different questions when you are analyzing a graph. So remember, analyze, that fancy word, means to look and think about something. So you're going to look and think by answering some questions about a graph. The first question that we're going to listen to and think about today is how many of two different things. So the question will sound something like this: how many blank and blank? So if the graph is about oranges and apples, it would be how many oranges and apples. A second question that we're going to focus on is a question that asks how many things in all. So I'm going to talk to you about how to answer those two types of questions. So here's an example of a graph, and it has strawberry ice cream down here, vanilla ice cream, and chocolate ice cream. So 1B made a graph of what kind of ice cream they liked the most. The first question says how many liked both strawberry and vanilla. So I know that the question that I'm thinking about is how many students voted for strawberry and, that's a key word, vanilla. So here's my strawberry ice cream choices. Here are my vanilla ice cream choices. I know that there are 3 strawberry ice cream favorites, and I know there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vanilla ice cream choices. To get the answer to this question, I just have to put those two numbers together. So 7, 8, 9, 10. I can check my answer by completing this addition sentence: 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that 10 people liked strawberry and vanilla. The other kind of question that I'm going to be focusing on asks how many people voted in all. Here are the key words for this kind of question, and it's the words in all. When you see those words, that means I want to count everything on the graph, because each box or each picture is a vote that someone made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I know that 15 students voted in all. Let's try another one. This is about what. So if I'm analyzing this graph, it says 1A took a vote of their favorite cookie. So this is all about chocolate chip, sugar, and peanut butter cookies. My first question says how many people like peanut butter and sugar cookies. So I know I'm going to add those two amounts together, peanut butter and sugar. Here are my peanut butter cookies. Here are my sugar cookies. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people that chose peanut butter and 4 people that chose sugar. I know 6 plus 4. I'm going to put those two numbers together to make 10. 10 people voted for peanut butter and sugar. Remember, my second kind of question says how many people voted in all. These words in all mean that I need to count everything on the graph. Now this is a pictograph, so I'm only going to count the pictures. If it was a bar graph, you would only count the boxes that are colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 people voted in all. So remember, when you're looking at two different things and it says peanut butter and sugar, you add those two numbers together. When you hear how many people voted in all, you want to count everything that you see on the graph.